Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have another home decor haul, and I actually really love home decor. I've just been kind of busy with like the fashion part of my channel, which is my first love, but I also really love home decor, and I've been gathering a lot of cute things that I thought I would share. So I have two stores that I'm going to be talking about today, and that is Target and Homegoods. I do have to say I have really been obsessed with like all my Target finds, a little bit more than Homegoods. I feel like I've gone to Homegoods a lot and I haven't really been finding anything, well, not anything that I'm crazy about. So I just don't get anything, but it's just like a few things here and there that I do want to share that are really cute. Yeah, some of them are actually right here in frame for you guys. I'm going to be kind of showing you how I styled them already and how they look throughout the home. So before we begin, if you guys are new, welcome. My name is Sandra and I do videos on fashion, lifestyle, and beauty. And if you guys also want to check out my Instagram, I'm going to be tagging it here below so you can follow me on there for lots of outfit of the day content. And without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. Alright guys, so I figured I would start with my Target finds since they're already here, like I said. And I don't know, I just have been obsessed with all the cute little items from Target. I've just been like picking different things here and there and like removing some of that old pieces that I have, including my table centerpieces here that I recently have picked up. I before had this really wide bowl, which I actually have over here. I had it in another haul as well, but I ended up moving it to the kitchen, and I'm planning on adding like little fruits or whatever, something that goes with the season. And so I decided to bring this to the centerpiece of my table, and I will start with this large vase that I found. This one is really heavy. So this one is from Hearth and Hand. It does not include the little florals on the top. That did not come with it. I actually got those at Marshall's, but I ended up finding this vase at Target. Like I said, it's from Hearth and Hand, and it was only $24, and I felt like it was such a steal because of the size of this thing, and it just looks so pretty. I feel like it really matches the rest of my home decor, and I feel like it would match a lot of other homes just because it is in this nice like cream color. I also really like that it's distressed. So if you guys look closely, it has like a little distressing here around, and I just really love the shape. They actually have another one that is not so wide. It's a little bit more taller, but it still has the same like structure of it, and it's the exact same color, and that one is $29.99 if you guys are interested in that one as well, also from Hearth and Hand. But yeah, I was just obsessed when I first found this one, and especially with the price, because it is really hard to find such large pieces like this one in such a good quality because it is so heavy. And they're usually a lot more expensive. If you guys are shopping for vessels or for vases, then you guys know they are kind of pricey sometimes. So this one was only $25, like I said, and I feel like that is just such a steal. And I was actually debating if to get the longer one as well, but for now I don't have any place to put it, so I just decided to stick with this one. I did top it off with these little florals. Like I said, it's like these little dry, it's just this little dry grass. And I found it at Marshall's with a lot more, but I just decided to add just a few kind of to the side just to kind of have it like a little abstract moment. I don't know. You guys let me know what you guys think of this, but yeah, overall I love it. I love the size, I love the quality, and like I said, the price, you really can't beat that. Alright, so the next piece that I'm going to talk about that I was actually really excited for is this large decorative tray. First of all, I love the size of it. You guys know that I like to have larger pieces in my home just because I feel like you can always stack little things on top or whatever, but I feel like if you just start with a larger piece, then it just makes everything so much more easier. So when I found this one, I was really obsessed, not only with the size but also with the color. I just love the brass tone of this tray because I do have so many like gold pieces, but I don't know, the gold pieces that I actually have in my house are not really like the bright gold. They're more like a toned down, darker gold pieces, almost like brassy tones, kind of like this. So this was just such a good find. Not only that, but it was only $20. So this large piece from Studio McGee, like I said, was only $20, and I just feel like it is such a good tray to have in your kitchen, to have in your dining room, to have maybe on a coffee table or in your bathroom or restroom. So not only can I have it here on the dining room, but I can always just move it around, maybe place some fruits in it or whatever it is. But I just love it here in the center of my dining room table. And as you guys saw in the beginning, I did have other pieces stacked on top. I first started with the tray, and then I ended up adding the vase with the dry grass. And then last but not least, from this little setup, I ended up adding this little cute glass candle. And I just love the size for this area. I didn't want something else that was also big because then it was just going to compete with everything. So something really small and dainty like this candle was just what I needed to complete this whole vibe. But yeah, I love that I was able to mix match materials because the top of this little candle is like a washed light wood, and then it has a little gold handle at the very top, which I thought was also really cute. So not only can you have it like covered up, but you can also just have it kind of to the side just as another piece of decor. It also smells really good. This one is also from Studio McGee, and it was only $10. So yeah, I just placed it right next to it, and I really like how this whole vibe turned out. I feel like it matches everything. It's not too white, it's not all the same materials, it's like different textures, different colors, different materials, but overall the earthy tones just go really good next to each other. All right, you guys, and I do want to say, so far I've been really impressed with like the little vessels and vases that I've seen at Target. They have like different sizes, different colors, different shapes. They had a really pretty washed black vase, and it was only like $12.99, and then they had a lot of different white and cream vases, and then they also had the little orange ceramic one that I feel like everyone's already got their hands on. But not only that, I ended up finding this little cutie, which I was obsessed with. I love the shape and I love the size of it. I think that it's perfect for the little console table that I had, that I was actually rearranging earlier. And I love how this one just kind of topped everything off. I ended up adding this little pampas grass, so it does come by itself like this, and you could just add anything. Even these little dry grasses would also look really cute, but I just wanted to add the little pampas grass on top just to kind of complete the look. But yeah, I almost think that it's like identical to the little tray that I have right here. It's like a washed copper, like a washed gold tone, and I really like that. It's not like a bright gold that's just like in your face. This is just really pretty copper tone that I feel like matches a lot of other colors or whatever color that you may have in your home. So I really like that. And then this one was only $15.99, actually just $15. So this one is like I said, just a really good find for $15. You really can't beat that. All right, next I'm going to be talking about my HomeGoods finds. So like I said, I haven't really been finding a lot of good pieces at HomeGoods. So the few that I have, I feel like I kind of lucked out because I don't know, I really like them and I feel like I got them at a good price. So I'm gonna start off with my coffee table books. The first one is the Architectural Digest book, and if you guys don't already have one and you guys are looking for one at HomeGoods or Marshalls or TJ Maxx, I know that they also have these online, but I just lucked out finding this one. Ended up going in the morning on a Wednesday, I believe, and they actually had 3 of these at HomeGoods. So I kind of was like thinking if I should get 2, but then I was like, no, I'm just gonna get 1. And this one was, I want to say $59.99. And if you compare it at the one that they have at Pottery Barn, I believe they sell it for $100. So yeah, I think it's just a good buy. It's almost half of what they sell it for. So yeah, I was really excited that I ended up finding this one. I think that overall it goes with the whole aesthetic of my home. Very neutral, but it just has this nice texture, and it's just something that's going to look very luxurious in your home and make everything just look a little bit more classy, and of course, like, you paid a lot of money for it, but you really didn't. $59.99 for this heavy, large book. So far right now, I only have it on my console table stacked up with other books, but that's because I really don't want it to get dirty. But when I find the perfect coffee table, I've been on the hunt for a coffee table, so I feel like once I find a coffee table, this bad boy is definitely gonna go on top of the coffee table. All right, the next coffee table book that I found that I thought was really cute is this book called The Principles of Pretty Rooms. It didn't come as is. It actually came with this paper cover. As you can see, it wasn't too bad. I just didn't really like all the bright gold. As you can see right here, it kind of looks like very orangey, and then all this gold. So I ended up taking it off, and my daughter's the one that actually found this book. She's like, Mom, look. And I was like, wait, hold up. I ended up taking off the paper cover, and when I saw this one, I was obsessed with it, and I just knew I had to get it. It looks really bright on here. But yeah, it is just all white, and then it has this little gold lettering, and then it has the gold letters here on the side as well if you just want to show the spine of the book. But this one was only $24.99. It says compare at $32. I kind of feel like it would be, oh no, it's actually $40. So you do get it for half off the price that you would buy it at a regular bookstore. So yeah, this one's another really pretty one. It's just all white, and it goes with the rest of my decor. So I was really happy to find this one as well. All right, another piece that I found at HomeGoods that I was actually kind of excited for just because the holidays are coming up is this little marble tray, and it has like a little glass cover. I haven't washed it, I just got it this week. So I feel like I need to wash it first. But I just thought it was really cute. It's something that you could stack on top of a charcuterie board, or I have it right next to the, like, a little cutting board, and I just feel like it looks really cute. But I imagine this like with a little like breakfast cake or some little breakfast pieces or something for when visitors come over. Maybe even some cookies or something if you want to have this in your kitchen. Or I figured if I do have it like in the living room or out here in the dining room, then I can also add a large candle and light it up like that. I've seen some candles with some little like glass covers as well, and I just think that that is also a really cute, and it's like a different look that you don't really find at a lot of homes. It's like just having a little glass cover on top. It just kind of elevates the overall look of the candle, and I think that it looks really, really cute, really sophisticated, really chic, and very elegant. So yeah, like I said, the bottom is made of marble, and then it has these little metal like circular bases here at the bottom, and I ended up getting it for $12.99, which I thought was a really good price. But yeah, like I said, you could either add a pastry and keep it in the kitchen or dining room table, or adding a candle, like I said, would also make this look really, really cute. Alright you guys, and last but not least, I wanted to show you guys my new dining room chairs. So these I actually found at Homegoods as well, and I was obsessed with them. They are exactly what I wanted. I actually wanted them in white, not gonna lie. I wanted kind of that, you know, like restoration look, because Restoration Hardware does have these very similar chairs. And then if you go to IKEA, they have the kind of same vibe as well, but they actually look very, very cheap, which I didn't like. So these have this like nice material that I just love. They're very, very comfortable. The material is really nice, and I was really, really happy to find these. I actually ended up finding 4. I did want 6, but I also feel like I could always add 2 different chairs on the end and just kind of switch up the vibe, make it look a little bit different. But for now, I'm really, really happy with the 4 that I did find, and they were only $99. So $100 for each. Let me fix this. $100 for each chair, which I think is a really good deal, especially because of the quality. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but it's this really, really soft material. And not only that, but it just kind of goes with all the other tones that I have here in the living room as well. So yeah, I'm still debating on the 2 end tables, the 2 end chairs, like I said, but I kind of feel like maybe some large white ones, very similar to these and very similar to the Restoration Hardware ones. But like I said, I'm still on the hunt for those. So if you guys know where I can get some, definitely comment down below. Alright you guys, well that's going to be it for today's video. Don't forget to check down in the description, because I will be linking all of the Target finds that I mentioned in this video. If you guys enjoyed this kind of video and you want to see more, definitely hit the thumbs up, subscribe for future videos, and like always, I will see you guys next time I upload. Bye!